Is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a weekly basis, so please consider subscribing to the channel and join the team. And I will also highly appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video if you have gotten any value. In today's video, I'll be sharing a method in making $350 per day. $350 per day. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer. Alright guys, so to get started with this method, you will need three simple things, right? First one being a link, which I'm going to show you where you can get that link from, and then a website which we will be promoting that link to, and then finally providing value to the people that we're going to be sharing our link with, right? So the website is called Find a Form. It's a very popular website. It's got a lot of different forms that you can participate in. It's got a lot of different topics. Let's actually go over to categories here. And then you can see they've got art and literature, health, shopping and e-commerce, business and economy, music, sports, news and media, computers and internet. The list just goes on and on, right? So there's a huge list here. And let's say, for example, we want to join the business and economy category, and then the subcategory that we want to look into would be personal finance. Let's click on that and see the type of forms that are available to join. So this one being askaboutmoney.com. They've got 157,000 topics, guys. 157,000 topics, 1.2 million posts, 37,000 members, right? 37,000 members. And then this one, it's got huge numbers of members as well, being 85,000 almost, right? And then this one has got 130,000 members, and then the list just goes on and on, right? This one here also has 29,000 members. So we're actually looking for the members to, click on our link and get what we're basically promoting, which I'm going to show you where to get that link from and basically explain what we're basically promoting. So now let's head over to Audible affiliate program. Let's click on that. Basically, if you're not too familiar with Audible, you can actually become a partner in advertising the Audible program, right? So many people don't want to read and they just don't have enough time to read. So this is an amazing tool to advertise to those people, especially people that are interested in personal finance, right? So what we can do is 3 simple steps. So get the link, drive traffic, and earn. To become an affiliate, it's pretty easy. You just click on this button over here and fill a few details, and you most certainly be accepted once you go through the process. And yeah, so let's see what we can actually promote here, right? So what Audible products can I promote and how much can I earn, right? So the fee structure here goes as follows. For the Audible Gold digital membership, right? So this is when they actually sign up for Audible, right? So this is like the highest plan available. So value, you would get $10 for anybody that actually signs up for the actual membership. And then second one here is the Audible free trial digital membership. So this is just if they sign up for the trial, the 30 days trial, you would automatically get $5, guys. So think about it. If we have got thousands of people in these forms here, don't you think you can get few people to sign up on a daily basis? Let's just actually calculate the numbers here, right? So let's see, say we can get 70 people for this promotion, right? We've got thousands of people in this form, so we're just going to use different forms, right, to get a lot of people to sign up. So 5 times 70, that would be $350 per day, right? And if this numbers again, right? So if you want to make more, just increase the number of people that you promote to on this forms. And you can definitely participate in other like categories like the health, music, society and culture, sports, news and media. So the list just goes on and on, right? So once we get our link from Audible here, you just sign up and become a member. You will get a special link. Once you get that, what you're gonna do is find whatever niche you decide to go with. Let's say we decide to go with personal finance, right? For example, so we want to join Ask About Money here, just since it's got 37,000 members. So once we get our link, we just don't want to spam this forms, right? We want to provide value and be legit, right? So to do that, I would highly suggest you to find whatever niche that you're going into. For example, if I'm going into the personal finance here, I will look for a personal finance books, right, that I can suggest that are available also on Audible, right? So if the book that you're suggesting is not available on Audible, then there's really no point of the members on the forums to go over and to sign up, right? So you see here there are tons of books here, and I know The Millionaire Next Door is available on Audible. I actually have this book on Audible. And then Total Money Makeover, Rich Dad Poor Dad, one of my favorite books here. And then Your Money or Your Life, all the list goes on, right? So what you're gonna do is suggest these books alongside with your link. I would go with Your Money or Your Life right here, the fully reversed edition of one of the most influential books ever written on personal finance, with more than 1 million copies sold, right? So as you can see, it's a good book to promote, right? So you would head over to find a forum. So we had said we're gonna join Ask About Money, since it's all about finance and we are actually promoting a finance book, right? So let's click on visit the forum. You can see, so you just need to register and then start sharing your links. Basically what you would do is suggest within the forum, you would just look for a topic that you think it's more suitable, and basically say, hey, if you're interested in this dash topic, this would be a great book to read. It's one of the most best-selling books on Audible. You can sign up for free, and you would just share your link, and that's it, guys. Once they click on it, you would earn $5 for every person that signs up for the free trial, right? Free trial, guys. They don't even have to go through with the whole membership. If they do, that's good. That's additional $10, right, after 30 days. And for every book that they purchase for lifetime, you would still get 50 cents, guys. So this is a huge opportunity to make passive income. Obviously, this is not get rich quick scheme. It wouldn't just turn you a millionaire overnight. You just have to trust the process, share your links as many forms as possible without actually spamming, right? You just have to be value based. So once you have joined fewer forms within the personal finance, you can head over to categories again, and then look for maybe health. Look into the health niche here, and you can promote, dieting and weight loss books. Same thing again. You would just go over to Google and look for the best selling books on dieting and weight loss, right? And then just head over to the find a forum, and then join one of these forums here with a lot of members. Like this one here, it's got 52,000 members here. So you just join here and then basically reshare your link, and then actually provide value. And for every person that signs up for the free trial, you would make $5, guys. So this is an amazing opportunity. Get started with. So $350 per day is life-changing amount of money, and it's very doable with this method if you can actually, stick to the process, be patient, and share your link as many times as possible, right? So with that, I will end this video here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.